It is August 8th, 2019. This is my daily recap video. Today I took two trades, both in CVS. One was a loser, one was a winner. The first one was a loser, and I traded that as a descending triangle. Usually they work out pretty well for me, but this time, I kind of had it in the back of my mind that I shouldn't be trading this because, um, one, it wasn't the prettiest triangle, but it I, I I thought it was good enough that it would work, except the fact that on the 5 minute chart here, I have this, I guess it's the 50 SMA rising up, so that's kind of one flag. But look at this. It found support all morning long. It kept hitting that and bouncing right off, finding it and bouncing right off. And yet I still took it right here. I went short right here. Um, you know, right here at support, which normally would be okay and normally is works out for me. But I think because of this SMA here, it was a bad move. So, and to make things worse, after I got in the trade, I changed my rule. I broke my rule. Instead of having a 10-cent stop loss to lose $15 max, I decided to give it more breathing room because I felt like, well, if I give it some more room, because it was going up and down, so I thought, okay, if I get a little extra room, then it'll break down, and it didn't. So I ended up losing more than I should have. I lost $25 on that one, so that was not good. However, my second trade was a winner. And the funny thing is, this is a trade that I don't usually take, especially not in my live account. But I've been playing around, or not playing around, but watching this kind of trade lately, and it seems like I might, it seems like a good strategy. Well, it is a good strategy. It's one of the most classic, basic ones. It's a bull flag, basically. So you got this pole here, and then it kind of goes sideways. Um, and then hopefully it's going to pop up more. Now, the reason why I thought it was going to pop up more is because let's see here. So it's been going up and down below VWAP, right? And again, on the 5 minute chart, we have this rising 50 minute or 50 SMA on the rise. And I heard people talking about in the chat room and on the in the chat room, talking about how the market was strong at the time, and it seems like it's wanting to pop up. And we get this two big green candlesticks here. Actually, I think I was on the 2 minute chart at that point. Let's see here. I can't remember though. Maybe I was. Yeah, I think I was here. Yeah, because I remember it was one candlestick that just shot right up, and then it was kind of like hovering above VWAP here, the cyan colored line, and I thought, okay, so it closed above VWAP. It seems like it found support here on VWAP, so I'm thinking, okay, yeah, this looks good. The market's moving up. Did a nice bull flag here. It's above VWAP. It's on top of these moving averages. You got a sloping upward 50 SMA. So I got in. 150 shares with the 10-cent stop loss, and I almost got stopped out. In fact, I think I let it. I gave this one an extra cent or two of room, which is a no-no, but it worked out this time. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but anyway, so it popped up eventually, and I kept selling off my shares in five different times, um, mostly every 10 cents. But it started getting late as I have to quit by 11 a.m. Eastern time, 8 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, my time in California. And so I ended up just getting rid of the rest of my shares kind of prematurely. I wish I didn't have to. I could have made a little bit more money. But anyways, I made $35 on that trade, or $34 on that trade. So I'm green on the day. Um, $10 which after commissions it's pretty much nothing because I, eight tickets I have here, so $8 in commissions. So but at least, I came out green technically, and I made a good trade, and it was kind of new for me, and I think I might want to start doing that more often. But it ended up being a green day, so I'm happy about that.